Hello, Just Too Good here, and thanks to 1414 Falcon Fan and Lucky Brick Steichenstein's Expertin, I probably butchered the name, but it's linked in the description, we now have some details on the summer 2020 LEGO Harry Potter sets. We know of 5. First, there will be another advent calendar, and if you guys remember, another CMF series. Then there will be set 75967, a Forbidden Forest set that is around $30 with a tree build, a brick built Grop, Harry, Hermione, Umbridge, and 2 Centaur. Third set is 75968, which is Privet Drive. Yeah, we got that set before. This time it will have Harry, Ron, Dobby, and the 3 Dursleys. Finally, there's the Astronomy Tower for around $100 with Harry, Hermione, Ron, Neville, Luna, Draco, Lavender Brown, and Horace Slughorn. So, yeah, this wave is pretty surprising. The 2018 and 2019 waves seem to be in movie order, with the first one fitting the first 2 films and the 2019 one fitting 3 and 4. Here, Privet Drive was completely unexpected, but thank you, LEGO. I always wanted the old set and love LEGO builds of houses, but you guys know it's so expensive secondhand. They're giving us a bigger and better one here, even with the Dursleys in LEGO form. I just doubt we'll get the Flying Forward this time around. The Forbidden Forest and Astronomy Tower fit a Half-Blood Prince theming, which is great as we don't have many sets around that movie. Forbidden Forest is on the same value as Expecto Patronum, but I'm sad to see nothing from Order of the Phoenix, another movie with very few sets. I heard there's a $20 set missing, so maybe it will be the Prophecy Battle or something like that. I also see there's a big overlap with figures from the first CMF series and figures from the Bricktober packs with this wave, but this last wave in 2019 gave us cool variants of collectible figures, so it might not be that big of a deal. But what do you guys think of these set names? Leave your thoughts in the comments below. I'll see you guys later. Peace out. Bye.